Can you save money on groceries while still enjoying delicious and healthy meals at home? Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to save hundreds of dollars each month on groceries by maximizing the use of ingredients you already have at home. Do you ever open your fridge full of random ingredients and think, what can I possibly make with this? In this video, we'll share a free prompt for ChatGPT that will help you quickly find delicious recipes using only the ingredients you have, eliminating the need for grocery shopping. Here's how your prompt should look. Choose an AI tool, like ChatGPT or Gemini, and say, I'm looking to cook something delicious from ingredients available at home at the moment. Please guide me through a series of up to 10 questions, one by one, to help find, create, or adapt 3 recipes based on my responses. Here's what it should ask. Comprehensive list of all ingredients I have to identify possible recipes. Allergies or dietary restrictions I might have. Specific ingredients I want to use. My desired dish types. Flavor preferences. Preferred cuisines. What type of meal I want to cook. Include these instructions in your prompt. Search for recipes based on my responses. Adapt recipes by substituting original ingredients with similar ones available at home if necessary. Ensure that the substitutions are appropriate based on their similarity in flavor and function. Inform me about these substitutions and recipes. You can see this prompt in the video and in the description. Copy and paste it into your favorite conversational AI tool, and it will start asking you questions about your next meal. After you respond to the AI's questions, it will compile 3 tailored recipes that you can tweak further, just like the example of a gourmet meal you see on the screen. It's fast, easy, and customized just for you. Use this life hack whenever you're unsure what to cook, and you'll be amazed at how much money you can save each month. Got a topic you want us to cover next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed seeing how AI can simplify everyday tasks and save money, give us a like. We'll keep uncovering how AI tools can enhance your daily life.